Well, I know what you're thinking. It's about time Jim announced the winners of the 4th of July photo contest. Welcome to the worldwide headquarters of ESI Video.
You're clear?
You can never be too careful at a time like this. Well, you see, I had no idea that my inbred old crazy Uncle Jim escaped from the home, as we call it. And then he went and he hijacked one of our video crews so he could make another good idea for a video. But then I had a better idea. Maybe he's been consuming too much of the local mash, if you know what I mean. But anyways, I'll honor his wishes this time, even though they're a little crazy. Let's take a look at some of the fantastic barbecue photos you guys sent in. We received entries from all over the country. We covered Florida, Alabama, Wyoming, Idaho, and California. Chris Madsen from Orange, California. Chris Lambert, Westchester, California. Jason Rice, Brea, California. Joe Romero, Lewiston, Idaho.
Chicken thighs over mesquite with the Holy Gospel barbecue rub by Meat Church with a couple of sausages floating on top and shishito peppers with grapeseed oil and Santa Maria style Suzuki seasoning. Have a great day. It's all good. Carl Van Norman, Birmingham, Alabama.
Katie and Mitch, Pensacola, Florida. Larry Gregg, Alta Loma, California. Chuck Tuggle, Yorba Linda, California.
Happy 4th of July. We'll slap your mama to spice up that corn on the cob. God bless America.
And here are our talented winners. A couple of bottles of Sharp's Gourmet Barbecue Rub goes to the barbecue crew at the CV Ranch in New Coyama, California for their patriotic entry. Barbecue, guns, and flags, nothing more American than that. And a jar of precious Jocko's Mix goes to Russell Wilson in Saratoga, Wyoming, who cooked up a feast at the Sawhorse Saloon. Congratulations to you guys. Oh, and by the way, we did finally track down crazy old Uncle Jim, and we did get him back to the state hospital safely. If you're ever passing through Camarillo, California, stop by and say hi to him. Nurse Ratchet tells me he's doing much better now with his new treatments. Thanks again for sending in your photos. I can't wait till next year's photo contest, and I'll see you next time from the pit.